turcos. Então, promedian de competencia de carrera y salto turcos, lo está día jueves, día 9 de mayo. Y día domingo nos lo tienen carrera y bulamento todo día.
Yes, y entrando para gente ng kutabay pa walk y también enjoy. Basta ting happy hours going on. Bamisyon na banda, awari na papiti data panic, no sé si por
Maccabi, escucha senta sa. Ambiente.
Los más dimension na yaw, mention na
Eu vou mencionar acaba.
Nós temos que data panic menino Aruba não também 13 data panic por de Holanda não também Biabi Aruba passando for parte de lo que está evento aqui nós temos tempo sem ter data panic. Nós vai dar norte tem data panic também Biamas River Stage também pelo que está Aruba Events.
Yes.
Assim mesmo. Nanta assim su big comeback, Bambisa. Então dia domingo lo tá dia. Dia domingo junto com Honeypot, com DJ Nuts Beats. Dia domingo lo tá
No, sí,
dia
da standard ko último dia domingo.
Com setup lo ita de outro. Você vai ter stage para nem passar, você vai ter em tower, bem, depois vai ter um VIP of coisa que tem cá de outro. É bar, tudo isso é setup full.
O setup lo tá mais ou menos similar a um dia passar. Então com Half Moon Stage, o bar que lo tá cerca de DJ, também tá querendo nós lo tem par de outro bar nan. Ele tem VIP section arriba de bar.
Quem poderia ter VIP?
Obviously.
Suco paga!
Sina mês, puta placa, não? VIP section lo tá mais claro para sponsors nan e pro riders que nós lo tem e para trazer interviews e
para Cool FM.
Para Cool FM, para Fresh FM.
Mari para via passar touting a guy de drones, God drones, Vince, Ari, quando nos digam, não vai ter aí que também, você vai ter não e não, porque é nada assim evento aqui onde cubo nada três, tudo que tu passa riba lá mas cerca de nós como ribateira e é só dango nada assim incrível.
Não, sowieso. Vince e seu time lo tem back, sim. Não sei quando não chega para portar de próximo dia, né? E seguro não lo proveemos com par de imagens bom, sim, a todo.
E aí kita vai ter tokens, ou você vai ter bracelets, algo que você pode maneira carregar e depois maneira. Qual você vai aqui?
Similar na passar. Com cashless solution, toda gente pode chegar, comprar card e carregar cerca dos cashier. E depois usam para comprar merch, bebida, comida, tudo coisa.
E você me não usa full? Me dá
não,
Asking for a friend.
Asking for a friend.
Lastimamente não tem refund.
Nós estamos aqui também tem parte internacional quando nos diga conta a banheira que está aqui quatro friends não como três quando vai competir contra o botão também em evento.
Me daquele ik was of cool die aqui tá com Youth World Cup também, dus é mesmo tour com a minha competir na PWA Tour, não também tem tour para youth. Então não tá kick-off aí que não na Aruba. Dus também tem mais competência na Bonaire, Turquia e segundo Dinamarca e na fim de ano botem world ranking. Então tá mais zuiver mesmo quando tá começar isso aqui na Aruba. Dus também tem grupo de Bonaire também, de Holanda, segundo de Turquia também. Então me espero que isso aqui tá algo que nós possamos seguir crescer no seguinte ano, não passou. Para mim mesmo, você minha carreira de competência começar com Highlands mesmo. Então você não se roupa bom ambiente que não é nível que não tá roupa alto, dus é lugar que me ainda pode sim então desenvolver na mesmo. Dus me dá hope excited para com esse man também que na Aruba.
Seguro que sim, de senhora botin grupo não conta de senhora tudo isso aqui lo conta com ponto para nada. Se não bem, tá mais ponto. Dus botiu viajar mais lugar, cada viajar com competência.
Sim,
como menino viajar vai mais ponto, tá?
Sim, para eu também tem 4 competências aqui. Dus anto de 4 3 tá conta. Dus vou passar competência malo, vou porque esse de resultado não, então é 3 mil tá conta.
Master.
Sim, então não tem ranking mundial, bossa, então não pode pôr de não se vê na competir na Aruba e tá algo já vai tá. Então me mesmo, me espera, me quero competir que masters não, me não sabe qual den qual categoria mi tabay, pero é coisa que mi tá looking forward to, mas tá é kite long distance ko nanta bay hasi. Kung nasa sali foi Fisherman's Huts by Arashi, después by Eagle Beach. Então, yeah.
Yes.
Se minanta si sa itur dia, foi já web sur dia, toch?
Sí, sí, sí.
Que
Okay,
mais
back.
você sabe de competir cubo de carreira cubo de vez ainda de foto viniendo.
Ja, dus pa pati di wensen pa hena mas grani ta mi te kere mas tanto local, portanto hena di Holanda ku Venezuela mi te kere Bonaire também.
Sí.
Pero ja, e pati kai di hopi en we di Aruba mes, dus sai ta vai ta hopi leuk também mi te kere dus.
Después de quanto tempo você participando back pa
Último ma competi 2 anos passa.
Okay.
Paso sai ma queda também special pa Highwinds, pero tu outro ano na hopi bia met die competência na net den zomer in temporada di Highwinds, dus ja, mi te kere e lasto. Maar kom die Highwinds porta 6-7 bia so den lasu 20 anos te kere. Pas mi te keda sali tu ora. Pero eta pa mi ta e competência mas ko as part me interest mas ding den windsurfing pa paso ting e competência na riba awa anto na terra ta kung asino hopi ambiente.
Sí.
Antes sai ta algo mi te iba sempre or mi by outra competência mi te keda judge na paso no também são bom ku Highwinds wasa.
Ah, que bem, ora bobai no outro botar, não tem ambiente que tira batera, tá disso um carreira na e vai casa.
Ti of dos so ku ta parse mani Highwinds pero nanta hopi focus riba carrera so competir by class. Anto
Okay.
pa mi windsurfing of a beach lifestyle ta competir com sério, pero também bem back na terra, então compartilhar.
Unwind.
Sim, unwind, passa bom com ele, conta a história de lo que vai experienciar riba água. Então sai tá exactly lo que tá passa esse man aqui na Highwind sempre.
Dus ahora vos pensa que a nós está orgulhoso com a Aruba Highwinds vai organizar na rua.
A minha cita aí, me tá que explicar ele com é mestre tá. Dus ora me vai rond
Vamos ser evitar na vista na bem
Sí, bien
Aruba.
waka,
Sí.
bien experience.
Yeah.
Sim.
É organizador, la gana tour bien, então la gana sim ali isso não quina.
Yeah.
Y mane nos ari para también como mane Highwinds aquí no está solamente riba agua pero no está ambiente también riba terra pero tem diferente competencia también que está andando en Highwinds de algo de Corebais, ¿no?
Sí.
Cuéntanos un poco más de eso.
Ato, sí, mira, no sé cuánto tiempo pasado. Mi hijo tiene 3 años trabajar en Highwinds. Pero nos tiene también mountain bike races.
Sí.
Entonces aquí lo está el día domingo para adultos, pero nos tiene striders para muchos niños chiquitos. El día sábado a noche, 6 horas tarde. Entonces tú gente está welcome to join. Y sí, bueno, el adulto no comienza basta a trepar.
Sí, mamá.
Se torna a comienza a correr. Pero para mucha nana está leuk, está cute para walk también. Entonces, bueno, está invitado a gente para bien walk, participar, escribir mucha nana
Claro.
para nos más gente.
Correcto.
Yes.
Y você tem algum truck nang ku ta conocí kaba ku lota inanang por ejemplo Buffett.
Poffertjes.
Puffertjes, sí, manera sempre. Después nos tienen cookout, greenfish, dan lotei, atrobe.
Nice.
Snackland también.
Little one también.
No, the little one does sponsor.
Hey, kom dichtbij man.
Kom
Kom join
Hey
us.
guys, hey guys. No, the little one is sponsoring us a stretch tent, so they help us a little bit in a way, but not be there as a food vendor. So we will have Snackland, Greenfish, and then we have the coconut guys with us again. We have Keita Keto for the ice cream. For the people who were there last year, the coffee cart will be there again from Mr. Bean.
Nice.
Which is a cool touch, yeah. So a cool thing to mention is that we are actually moving the food court to the parking. We were a little skeptical about it because you take it a little bit away from the event, but we noticed that there was kind of like a bottleneck.
On the entrance, yeah.
Going towards the stage area and the beach area.
Yeah.
And now what we're doing is we're adding a second big screen where we will display the live stream as well on the food court.
Oh,
And
nice.
the food court will be covered with a big dome. Some of you maybe saw it already at King's Day at Hoya. And
Yeah.
we will be covering it with camouflage nets and lights so that we have shade and that it's also fun to be there at night.
Okay.
So that's a little change that we're making in the setup. And
Nice.
Jordan already mentioned it, but we will have a merchandise store separately this year as well, because we will be selling some merchandise from Highwinds. We have a new branding, a new logo since this year. So we will have some new merchandise, some old merchandise that we will, almost give away, because it's going to be collector's items.
Yeah.
And we have the new logo, so we want to aim for the new stuff. So
Okay.
yeah, that's I think that's a lot of things. And you guys mentioned indeed Vince. We will be streaming live during all the races. So when Sarah is competing in the Masters and the youth are competing with the PWA, all the cool races, we will be broadcasting them live as well. And
Where can I see this broadcast?
well, on our website you will find the link,
Okay.
and on our socials. So we will talk to Cool and Fresh FM as well. We already did, but probably the live stream
Seal
will
the
be
deal,
visible,
yeah.
visible with you guys as well. Yeah. And,
Awesome.
Because you have a place in our hearts as radio station. It's always Highwinds and Cool and Fresh together. So
Sure.
that's really nice. Yeah.
Yes. Okay, so we talked about food. We talked about the races. How about the drinks? What's up with the bar?
Well, this year again we will have Amstel Bright as a sponsor. So of course we will be drinking the cans of Amstel, which is really nice. And they will they divide it over a few different types of drinks. And so of course we will have the Captain Morgan bar again.
Exactly. Don't forget
So
my Captain Morgan.
we will be doing the mojitos again at basically sunset time as well. We will have the happy hour, of course, from 5 to 7. So that's
Awesome.
a nice way to get a cheaper bucket.
Yeah, of course.
And then Frito-Lay. I don't know if you remember from last year, but they will be handing out and doing some games with the small kids and hand out the bags of chips, which is nice.
Yes.
Plus the beach games from Amstel will be
Yeah, it was-
returning again.
Yeah, I saw a
Exactly, because
couple
I
of
have,
games.
I have
Yeah.
a couple of people that have been like really requesting those games.
Yeah. It's fun to watch.
Yeah.
No, but they're fun to play.
Yeah,
so-
so,
Yeah,
yeah.
so we actually gave them a spot in the schedule as well, so that we
Okay.
can also, divide it a little bit with the microphones and everything. So
Yeah.
that's really nice. And Successfully is also one of our main sponsors, of course, and they will have a raffle again.
Okay,
Last year,
nice.
you were able to put a business card in a big blue barrel, and they were raffling a iPhone. And this year will be a brand new Apple iPad, so that's really cool as well. So if you own your own company, you can drop your business card and
I can participate this year.
yeah, I imagine there will be a lot of Cool FM and Fresh FM business cards in that barrel.
Yeah. We'll make them.
So that's really
That's
nice.
awesome.
Yeah, and the Big Air, it's nothing to do with food or drinks, but is always each year hosted by Vader Piet Windparken. They are one of our oldest sponsors as well. So they,
Nice.
they. I had a question from someone asking if the Big Air this year is at Boca Grande, because the windmills are there from Vader Piet, and they read it and they was like, oh, is it at Boca this year? But it's not at Boca. Everything will take place on the Fisherman's Huts.
Okay.
Okay.
But it's cool that they are still sponsored with us. And
Nice.
and Sarah knows they also sponsor Ethan with the
Ethan, yeah.
Olympics, so it's cool to have them with us as well.
Yeah.
We're gonna have on the stage Honeypot, Data Panic, Not Beats, Armando, and we can continue mentioning a lot of artists will be
Yeah.
on stage.
Yeah, definitely. We have a nicely packed and hopefully well-organized entertainment schedule with lots of cool bands. And you guys spoke about Data Panic as well. And of course, Honeypot will be with us as a member of the Highwinds
Yes,
family. It's
exactly.
really nice. So yeah, we're looking forward to that as well. And of course, during Sunset, we will have DJs like Armando, like the other guys that will create the vibe to get in the mood to not only race, but also have fun, of course.
Yes.
Yeah.
So the Highwind schedule. What time does it start, and what time does the last band or the last DJ play?
Okay, so basically, the earliest skipper meeting that we will have will be at 8 a.m. Most of the days it will be 9 a.m. that we start. So basically around 8, 9, apart from the Sunday when we have the mountain bike race, the bar will be open and we will be on the beach the entire day. Then around 5-ish, 5:30, the races will end, and then there will be still people kite surfing and giving away shows at the shoreline to have fun. But then we start let's say entertainment schedule, which will last until midnight. So
Okay.
at midnight we quit and we
Everybody
try to
goes
get
home
out
and the
as
next
soon
day
as
they come back.
possible to
Yeah.
get there the next day again. Yes.
Awesome. Okay,
Yeah.
I'm excited
Yeah.
to see
me too.
all that you guys have planned out. And yeah, we will definitely see you there.
Yes.
One more little thing, because I think most of the people know, but we have the ATA as our main sponsor as
Yes.
well, and we were lucky to be able to sign a 2-year contract with them. So they back us up quite good this year,
Yeah.
which will make it easier. They will also have a nice program running during High Winds. It's called Banserio,
Yeah.
and they will be collecting the cans to make people aware of
Nice.
recycling and everything. So they will be there with us as well to help cleaning the beach and keep the beach clean, which is also
Nice.
something we ask from all our
Yeah, of course.
participants, spectators, everybody to keep in mind that we
Yeah.
love the ocean and want to keep
Keep it clean.
No, perfect. That sounds good. We're excited as well. And for the upcoming week and everything. And we want to wish you guys also good luck with the preparations and everything. And it's going to be a great success as every year. And we also look forward on seeing you on the water,
Doing your
everywhere.
thing.
Yeah, doing
Represent.
your thing and representing as always.
Thanks, guys.
Thank you.
A million thanks to you guys as well, because High Winds is not possible with you guys as sponsors and with all our other sponsors as well. We love to host the event, and it's us, but it's also a lot of volunteers, and we're volunteers as well, and people like Sarah who are like ambassadors of High Winds as well, and they help us out. So really big thank you to all of you. Yeah.
No, perfect. We'd
Thank
like
you.
to leave the mic open for you to invite Aruba to join.
Well, Jordan, be my guest to do that in public.
No, si Aruba Musacaba llega para High Winds día razón, día 8 de May, día domingo, incluso incluye día luna.
Claro.
Día luna lo
Pero
está
no award
closing-
night, no?
Sí, está closing ceremony na día luna.
Jaluna. Nice.
Pero parte grande de acción lo está comienza día 8 y acaba día 12, todo el domingo, día domingo. Tu llega bien cheer para el atleta en favorito, cualquier deporte, porta fall in love con algún día deporte
Of yun na good.
Oh!
nunca sabe.
Nunca sa.
Sí, llega toda la gente y van a hacer High Winds great manek turaya.
Tremendo.
Sarkita, you wanna say something?
Ja, mika bisa mesmo coisa, mika invita tu ainda bem beach, passo ambiente tá paiting sowieso, bem com o amigo nan, se você tá subir lá mais, se você tá na beach, você passar bar, dar drinks, enjoy a music. Sempre tá opi gezellig, dus looking forward para você tu na beach.
Yes,
Awesome.
tremendo.
Danke vielmals, Pardon, de Genossen in de studio.